And welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, then thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're loving the content that I have been creating, then please do consider subscribing to my channel, like today's video, share it with your friends and family, comment down below, and also hit on the notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload a new video. So guys, in today's video I will be creating a winter makeup look for you all using just one brand, that is our favorite brand, Swiss Beauty. We all love Swiss Beauty, है ना. मुझे उनकी प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी लगती है. आई लव द प्राइस पॉइंट ऑल्सो, काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल होते हैं. सो वाई नॉट, एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव देयर लिप प्रोडक्ट्स. Swiss Beauty never disappoints me with their lip products. Like otherwise also it does not disappoint me. I love their foundation, concealer, powder and so many other products. लेकिन lip products मेरी सबसे ज़्यादा फेवरेट है. ठीक है, तो आज के वीडियो में भी मैं कुछ lip products शेयर करने वाली हूँ जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. And I think they have done a great job with these lippies as well. So then yeah, without further ado, let's dive right into the tutorial. लेकिन आगे बढ़ने से पहले let me share my coupon code, that is Ankita25. Yes, you can use the coupon code to get an additional 25% off on Swiss Beauty products. आप उनके वेबसाइट पे जाना, ठीक है, which is www.swissbeauty.in. And also guys, if you want to see more such videos using only Swiss Beauty products, do let me know in the comments below. तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं आज के ट्यूटोरियल के साथ. So to begin with, first I'm going to go in with this spray. ये है Swiss Beauty का Glow Up Makeup Fixer. It will prep your skin and set your makeup. It gives a really nice dewy finish. Skin भी radiant दिखती है. You can just use it on its own as well. अगर आप travel कर रहे हो and you just want to refresh your skin, तभी भी आप इसे use कर सकते हो. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin C in it, and it's a lightweight spray. So it does not feel like heavy on your skin. It blends really well and it blends your makeup also pretty nicely. Now let's go in with our moisturizer. You want to make sure that your skin is well hydrated and well moisturized, right? तो ये है Swiss Beauty का Dew Lock Daily Moisturizer. It has 1% hyaluronic acid in it. इसमें blueberry extract भी है, witch hazel extract भी है, niacinamide भी है. So it has all good ingredients. ये सारे ingredients आपके skin के लिए काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. And it is non-comedogenic. It is for all skin types. It is lightweight, easily absorb हो जाता है. It knocks out a dryness and it plumps your skin. It hydrates your skin. It smells so good. It's not at all sticky and it also tightens your pores. Okay, now let's go in with this product. ये है Swiss Beauty का Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. It brightens your skin. Basically आपका normal primer नहीं है, ये highlighting primer है. So it will add a nice glow to your skin. You can also mix it with the foundation if you want to. It is in the shade 01 Natural Tint. So guys, now let's go ahead with these two products. ये दो products को मैं mix करने वाली हूँ, ठीक है. ये है मेरा favorite foundation, Swiss Beauty का Air Brush Finish Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 04 Golden Beige. You guys know I love this foundation. I love the shade. I love everything about this foundation. Matte foundation है, full coverage foundation है, लेकिन ये बिल्कुल भी dry out नहीं करता है आपकी skin को because it has hyaluronic acid in it. Again, this is one product that I really love. ये है Swiss Beauty का liquid highlighter. Okay, in the shade 02 Gold. इसमें rose gold shade भी आता है. Gold भी बहुत प्यारा है. So I'm going to mix this product with a foundation because I want our skin to look more dewy, more radiant. I don't want it to look like completely matte. And this is their Makeup Buddy Beauty Blender. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ से ऐसे angled है. Especially concealer application के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है and foundation application के लिए भी. See? This is what I wanted to achieve. So I got the coverage also that I was looking for and I got that glow also that I wanted. And guys, do not forget to use my coupon code Ankita25 for an additional 25% discount on Swiss Beauty products only on www.swissbeauty.in. Guys, my skin is looking so beautiful. I'm currently obsessed, loving it. So guys, this is a Swiss Beauty's Perfect Liquid Concealer. I have two shades with me over here. तो ये वाला है 04 Medium Beige and ये वाला है 03 Light Moen. So जो medium beige है मैं इसको थोड़ा सा ऐसे inner corner पे apply करूँगी and then outer corner पे I will go in with Light Moen. It's very lightweight, easily blendable, gives good coverage, crease free formula है. फाउंडेशन कंसीलर को हम बाद में सेट करेंगे विद अ पाउडर। उसके पहले वी आर गोइंग टू गो इन विद स्विस ब्यूटीज क्रीम इट अप ब्लश। इसमें शेयर बटर है इन द शेड 02 नेचुरल फ्लश। आई लव दिस ब्लश गाइज। इसमें मेरे पास एक और शेड है, लेकिन आज मैं ये वाला शेड यूज़ करने वाली हूँ विच इज़ अ नेचुरल फ्लश। आई लव द क्यूट पैकेजिंग, इट इज़ अडोरेबल, वेरी पिगमेंटेड, इट इज़ लाइट वेट, blends very easily, it is long lasting. So overall I love the formula of this blush, and the shade is so pretty. It is a very pretty pink shade which will work for all skin tones. Now we are going to set a concealer and foundation with my favorite powder. ये Swiss Beauty का loose finishing powder है. It is in the shade 02 Banana. Love it. It is so finely milled, बहुत lightweight है, does not dry out my skin, does not cling onto dry patches, mattifies my skin, does not lead to any kind of dryness. So overall it's a lovely powder, all skin types के लिए एकदम perfect है. And since ये banana shade में है, it will brighten your under eye. अभी जितना भी पाउडर बाकी है ना, उसको मैं हल्का हल्का से ऐसे टैप करूँगी because I don't want that dewiness to go away from my face. Now I'm again going to spray a glow up makeup fixer. You guys must have noticed कि मैंने अपने brows नहीं किए हैं. So now it's time to fill in our brows. I again love this product, and ये एक ऐसा product है, again if you love to fill in your brows you have to get it guys. Look at the packaging, ये बहुत ही sleek gold packaging में आता है. It feels luxe because ये थोड़ा सा ऐसा heavy है. So ये है Swiss Beauty का Micro Precision Eyebrow Pencil. Is in the shade 02 Deep Brown, perfect for me. ठीक है, it is pigmented and it gives you very well groomed brows. बहुत ही अच्छे से fill कर देता है आपके brows को. The spoolie is also really nice. It blends the product really well. Also guys, this is one of their other brow products. Now I'm very comfortable with such pencils या brow pomade आता है ना, उसके साथ also I'm very comfortable. मैंने इसे कभी इतना actually use किया नहीं है. In fact मैंने कभी भी use नहीं किया है. So this is Swiss Beauty's Bromance pen. Okay, romance का bromance pen. ठीक है, so this is how it looks like. This is the packaging. तो ये hair like strokes देगा. It is in the shade 03 Deep Brown. What we can do is we can use this just in the front. It looks so much more fuller. Okay, I have to be really careful. तो मैंने eyebrow pencil से पहले fill किया and then I went ahead with this bromance. We still have to complete our eye makeup, तो फिलहाल थोड़ा सा too much लगने वाला है, so but it's okay. And now let's move on to our eye makeup. लेकिन सबसे पहले I'm going to finish one side of the eye makeup, and for the other side I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is what I have created, okay, and it looks absolutely stunning. Let's create this look. लेकिन आगे बढ़ने से पहले make sure to use my coupon code Ankita25 for an additional 25% off on Swiss Beauty products, only on Swiss Beauty's website, that is www.swissbeauty.in. So the product that I have used is this one. Oh, it is so sexy. तो ये Swiss Beauty का Chrome and Matte Twin Eyeshadow है. Yes, ये बहुत सारे shades में आता है. मेरे पास है 02 Aqua Moon, and it's a beautiful navy teal color I would say, and it looks so beautiful. It is easy to work with because बहुत ही easily blend होता है. You can create multiple looks with it because आपको एक side पे ये matte eyeshadow मिलता है and on the other side you get this chrome eyeshadow. So आप ऐसा एक look create कर सकते हैं जैसे मैंने use किया. You can just use the chrome side, or you can only use the matte side. You can also create different eyeliner looks with it. आप सिर्फ lower lash line पे भी अप्लाई करके उसको smudge कर सकते हैं. मतलब आप बहुत सारे looks इसके साथ create कर सकते हैं because एक multi purpose product हो जाता है when it comes to your eye look. ठीक है, so absolutely stunning, effortlessly blend होता है. It is highly pigmented as you guys can see. So even if you are a beginner and you don't want to use too many eyeshadows, this is going to be your best friend. You can create any kind of look that you want to. आप day look भी create कर सकते हो, आप night look भी create कर सकते हो. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with a kajal. ये है Swiss Beauty का Kohl Kajal. It is a sharpenable kajal. It is waterproof, smudge proof, long lasting. It stays up to 12 hours. It has a very velvety, creamy, smooth formula. It's highly pigmented and once it sets, it does not move. We also have to apply it on our upper lash line, okay? And then we are going to smudge it out a little bit. So I'm just going to apply it in the center. So now I'm going to go in with Swiss Beauty's Precision Thickening Long Lash Mascara. It adds a nice volume to your lashes, adds a nice length. It coats each and every lash. अच्छे से कर्ल भी करता है आपके lashes को. मस्कारा वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कोई भी लुक में अगर आपके ब्राउज ना हुए हो या मस्कारा अप्लाई ना हुआ हो, incomplete होता है. Okay guys, so we are done with the eye makeup and I think it looks absolutely stunning. Make sure to get your hands on their chrome and matte twin eyeshadow. Lovely product. Okay, so guys, जैसे आपने देखा था कि मैंने सिर्फ blush apply किया था, but I also want to use this palette. This is their Sculpt Lift Contour Palette 01. ठीक है, तो इसमें आपको ब्राइटनिंग पाउडर मिलता है, कॉन्टोर शेड्स मिलते हैं, फिर आप ब्रॉन्ज भी कर सकते हो, हाईलाइट भी कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. So guys, I was not sure whether I want to, use any kind of contour powder or I want to bronze my face, but since we've gone with a darker eyeshadow, I think thoda sa zarurat hai. And then we will be also going in with this powder because I want my eyes to look bright क्योंकि हमने dark eyeshadow apply किया, right? So let's first go in with this powder. थोड़ा सा चेहरे को bronze करते हैं. So basically I'm just bronzing my face. ऐसा लग रहा था कुछ तो कमी है, इसलिए आई वॉज लाइक इसको हम लास्ट में यूज़ करेंगे बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू सी ज़रूरत है नहीं है, लेकिन ज़रूरत है. ठीक है, नाउ फॉर आवर अंडर आइज विल गो इन विद दिस पाउडर. आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ द सेम ब्रश. ऐसा थोड़ा सा इसको हम पिंच करेंगे. सी लुक एट द डिफरेंस. जब भी आप डार्कर शेड्स यूज़ करो एंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द मेकअप ऑल्सो हमेशा यूज़ सच पाउडर्स. बहुत क्लीन लुक देता है. एंड ये एक सॉफ्ट हाइलाइटिंग पाउडर है, इसको भी हम यूज़ करेंगे जस्ट ऑन आवर चीक बोन. वाओ, सच स्मूथ फॉर्मूला. Okay guys, so now most important thing is to apply a good lip color, right? So I have these lip liners with me. I have 3 shades. This was Beauty के bold matte lip liner है. Okay, they are smooth, they are creamy, they are long lasting, they are highly pigmented and they go on very effortlessly. So let's quickly swatch all these 3 shades. So the first shade that I will be swatching is Choco Nude 03. Then we have Sandy Pink 13 and lastly we have Burgundy. So I'm confused. I think first initially I was thinking I'll go with Choco Nude, but now I think I should go with Sandy Pink. Very pretty shade. It's looking really nice with this eye makeup look. So these are Swiss Beauty's Mud Pie Mousse Lipsticks. ठीक है, so when you apply them, इनका एक बहुत ही प्यारा मूसी टेक्सचर है, लेकिन ये लिपस्टिक सेट हो जाते हैं पूरे मैट फिनिश में. आई एम सो इम्प्रेस्ड. मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं लिपस्टिक्स. दे आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल, एकदम लाइट वेट है, पिगमेंटेड है, दे गो ऑन वेरी नाइसली. बिल्कुल भी पैची नहीं है, इवनली अप्लाई हो जाते हैं एंड ये लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है, स्मज भी नहीं होते हैं. सो एब्सोल्युटली लव द फॉर्मूला एंड आई लाइक द पैकेजिंग ऑल्सो. पैकेजिंग भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, कलर कोऑर्डिनेटेड पैकेजिंग है. So here I have 4 shades with me. I will be swatching all the 4 shades on the back of my hand and then we'll decide which shade to go in with. So the first shade that we have is 01 CEO Chic. Okay, then we have Pretty Hustler, Glampreneur. This one is 14 Shero. This one is 14 Shero or Shiro. I don't know how you pronounce it. So I'm going to go in with 05 Pretty Hustler. I think it's a little too pink for this eye look. What do you think? Let's go in with this one. थोड़ा सा उसको टोन डाउन कर देते हैं. ये है 01 CEO Chic. इसको सिर्फ थोड़ा सा बीच में अप्लाई करेंगे, ज़्यादा नहीं. Now it's perfect. ये सेट हो जाएगा पूरा मैट फिनिश में. एंड मीनवाइल आई एम अगेन गोइंग टू स्प्रे आवर फिक्सर. So this tutorial comes to an end, guys, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching it, and do use my coupon code Ankita25 for an additional 25% off on Swiss Beauty products only on Swiss Beauty's website, that is www.swissbeauty.in. Link will be in the description box below, and I shall see you guys very soon in my next one. Until next time, keep reviving your own fashion.